So what's going on here then?
This is a new pond area. So yeah, backfilling in from here to here with this lovely bung. We'll plant out with native wetland species that enjoy wet feet. And then when the rains come in autumn, it'll backfill up there to
And
the
there's a
edge
little
of the property.
ford to get
And you can irrigate
between the carport.
further down there. New food growing area here and native plantings.
Probably blueberries.
But yeah, we need groups to come and help us plant trees.
We do. We have a space for between 3 and 5 groups to come and spend the day planting trees and hanging out with us. I mean, seriously, that's going to sell like hotcakes. We're so adorable. So yeah, can you see the bananas? Look at my bananas in here right there. Oh, so cute. I just love them so much. And a carport that's probably actually going to store wood because we milled a bunch. What do you think, Pickles? She's pretty excited.